Three major nutrients involved, or nutrients in the fertilizer industry. Nitrogen is one, and now we are going to talk about phosphorus and potassium. Both phosphorus and potassium are mined. This picture shows a shovel at a phosphate mine. I actually was at this mine, and you can put in that bucket many people and a car, several cars, in fact. So those phosphate mine, or at least the one where we were at here in Florida, was a strip mine. Phosphates and potash are mined. Phosphates you need to combine with sulfuric acid to produce the fertilizers. So often when you're looking at trade folds, you will not only see the emphasis on phosphate mining or phosphate rock, but also on sulfuric acid production. Here you see some of the major items or major production of fertilizers and raw material. Ammonia, urea, phosphate rock at the top, DAP. DAP is a phosphorus fertilizer, diammonium phosphate, potash, and sulfur. And again, sulfur would be the combined with phosphate rock. So phosphate rock and sulfur would give you, for example, DAP and several other fertilizers. One thing that I want you to note about many of these, in particular ammonia, urea, phosphate rock, and DAP, the major producer of those is China. And China needs those because of its large agriculture and large needs for agriculture. If you're going down the ammonia list, first there's China. Then there is Russia. Russia is a major producer of ammonia, not only because of its agriculture, which is substantial, but it produces more than is needed, but it's close to natural gas. Then there's India, which obviously has a need. U.S., India, and Trinidad, and they are primarily involved in the export of that to U.S. and in particular Trinidad is involved with the export to the U.S. We also have urea. You see the list there. India, Russia, U.S., India, Pakistan, some of the same countries. Phosphate rock, then going forward. Phosphate rock. Note that Morocco is a big one, and they export a lot of their phosphate rock. And then you can see the others as you're going through it as well.